What's up, guys? This is your boy Cyber here with a vlog video. I'm on my way to the scrap yard to take my cans and sell them. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make one of these. It's soda can tops. I'll be showing you how to make that. Yeah, look at the snow. Look at that. Look at the snow. It looks beautiful. Got my cans right here, about to go sell them. All right, look, so I got the can right here, right? I'm gonna take it like this, and I'm gonna twist it. I'm gonna twist it until it comes off. And pull up at the same time. Twist and pull up at the same time. And that's where you have it. So then what you want to do is take a thick string that won't break easily, and then you want to take it by the hole. See that hole right here? You want to take it and put it through, put the string through the hole, and that's how you make it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe to my channel. Later, dudes.